Hello, my name is Donald from PCE Instruments in Jupiter, Florida, and we want to thank you for purchasing your PCE-CSM Series color meter from PCE Instruments. Today we would like to discuss how to enter the master color standards into your color meter to be compared against the samples for pass-fail. The instructions are for PCE-CSM 1 through 8 color meters. We have already programmed the meter with the data and time settings. The internal memory of the color meter PCE-CSM 1 through 8 allows for 100 standard measurements values to be saved. Each of these is categorized by a number. We will enter 3 standards into the memory of the meter before we compare them against the samples. So let's get started with the setup for the standard measurement. You should be on the standard measurement page and ready to shoot your instrument 4 times on the standard color to obtain the average of the standard. Hold your meter on the standard and press the test button. The test button is located right on the back, and wait for the results and do this 3 more times on the standard color in different areas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you've obtained your first color standard, T001. The next step for a different color standard is to repeat the same procedure. Remember that the standard that is recorded is categorized by a number. You will only have one until you have another standard for a different color. Do this to obtain 3 different color standards. One, 2, 3, 4. Now you have 2 different color standards. Next, we have to change our standard color to number 2 to get our different color standard. So we just go T002 and enter, and then sample measurement, screen splits. We're ready to take our sample measurement. The screen split on the meter, and the left side you'll see the standard measurement color, and on the right side is ready for the sample to be shot 4 times with a color meter to obtain the average of the sample to be compared against the standard color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you'll see that if the sample passed or failed, this one failed. It's too shiny. It's not exactly the same as the standard color. This concludes our video for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, send us an email or give us a call.